Senate passes law. Silver stacking days are over. The Senate just passed new legislation, and it means traditional silver stacking, the way we know it, has ended. Check this out. This is from flssenate.gov, and you can see Florida and Missouri just passed laws officially recognizing gold and silver as legal tender. That means you could actually use silver. You could use gold to pay debts, pay taxes in certain states. It's no longer just a hedge against inflation or a shiny bar and you're safe. It's money again. It's real money. And these states, they didn't pass it quietly. Florida's bill got unanimous support. It's not just Florida and Missouri. There's other states I'm going to show you in a minute. Other states like Utah and Texas, they're showing interest in this. It's silver and gold and custodians and tax exemptions and full-blown infrastructure to support this. Suddenly, though, stacking coins in your closet might not be the smartest move anymore. Look at this. This is Money Metals, and they're showing which states have gold and silver legal tender status because it isn't a free-for-all. These new laws come with strict custodian guidelines. If you want your silver to be recognized as legal tender, it has to be held by an approved third party. People don't realize this. It's got to be held by an approved third party, licensed, bonded, insured, regularly audited. So you could stack silver, but you can't do it privately and quietly and loosely anymore. You can't just throw it in a shoebox and call it a day. You can't ignore the tax implications. Government's basically saying, if you want real financial freedom with silver, you're going to have to play by real rules. And check this out. This is from seekingalpha.com. They're showing the psychology because the way people view silver is about to shift. Silver stacking used to be prepping. It used to be stock up for when the system crashes. That's how it started. Stash it away, trust no one. But now, finally, it's mainstream. Finally, it's not about fear, but about function. It's finally not buried treasure. It's regulated. It's recognized. It's a real-world asset. We're all seeing the ripple effect of this. Trump's tax and spending bill, gold prices jumped near 1%, signaling rising investor confidence. That's from Seeking Alpha. You got to check that out. This law makes silver a trusted financial tool. It makes something different that it's not just preppers falling back on it. So for stackers like you and I, this means we're entering a new era of this metal. The Wild West of private stacking. It might just be over, but in return, we're gaining something powerful. We're gaining recognition. We're gaining security. We're gaining actual legitimacy for this as a form of money.